Tatlong levels ng milyonaryo na dapat malaman mo. Let me know at the end of this video kung ano yung gusto mong maabot dito sa tatlong to. Hey, I'm Jeric and I make content on planning your life so you can reach your full potentials for the glory of God. Ever since nakagraduate ako ng college, I've always wanted to be a millionaire. Now, I know parang maliit yun para sa ibang tao. But coming from a family na hindi naman ganun kayaman, that's a goal that I've always wanted to achieve. Akala ko noon, isa lang yung ibig sabihin ng milyonaryo. Pero during my journey of becoming financially comfortable, I realized na meron palang tatlong levels nito. At bawat levels, meron kang bagong difficulty na kailangang lagpasan. Level 1 is yung tinatawag nating net worth millionaire. Ito yung basic level ng pagiging milyonaryo. Kapag pinagsama-sama mo lahat ng pagmamay-ari mo, lahat ng bagay na nasa pangalan mo, tapos aalisin mo lahat ng kailangan mong bayaran at lahat ng utang mo, dapat aabot ng 1 million pesos yung difference. Halimbawa, meron kang bahay na 1.5 million pesos yung halaga. Tapos may kotse ka na ang halaga nasa 500,000 pesos or so. Tapos may pera ka sa bangko na 150,000 pesos. Meron kang total na assets na 2.15 million pesos or 2,150,000 pesos. Pero nalaman mo na yung accountabilities mo, yung utang mo, mortgage, future planned expenses, and so on, it amounts to 1,050,000 pesos. Milyonaryo ka pa rin yan. In total, meron kang net worth na 1.1 million pesos. Level 2, cash millionaire. Yung pangalawang level ng pagiging milyonaryo, ang ibig sabihin nito, meron kang liquid money amounting to 1 million or more. Now, hindi naman kailangan na literal na cash yung meron ka. Ang kailangan lang, madali mong maa-access yung pera na yon. So siguro nasa MP2, nasa digital banks, traditional banks, o mga bagay na madaling mabenta para maging cash yung pera mo. Sa experience ko, medyo mahirap tong maabot kasi kailangan mong mag-save ng pera na readily available sa'yo. Now, pwede mong maabot to kahit na hindi ganon kataas yung sweldo mo as long as meron kang disiplina na mag-save. Level 3, cash flow millionaire. Itong cash flow millionaire, iba to sa level 2 Yung cash millionaire, liquid yung pera mo, madaling ma-access. Itong cash flow millionaire naman, 7 figures yung pumapasok sa bangko mo monthly. Pwedeng meron kang business, meron kang multiple sources of income, mga paupahan, and so on. But in essence, 7 figures yung kinikita mo. Marami akong kakilalang ganito and it took them a lot of sacrifices, work, and the right decision making para lang magawa to. Ikaw, anong level yung gusto mong maabot? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Thanks for watching and remember, just conquer today.